Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
MLA Jong Nongstoiñ constituency uba Macmillan Bersat menta kesngi ka arpu santrik unai leber arajar arpu wei ula Plie ba ya ka Jingpyni nam ya ki dor Jong ki Khlawait kari India ya ka bala tipru kum ka azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav ya kini ka jingilang lapenlong ha po tersem hall Jong ka office ka deputy commissioner Nongstoiñ bat kani ka program ban pan inam ya ki dor Jong ki Khlawait kari kalong rukum sibenta Jong ka jingrakhe ya ka jingdap hanyo pusan snem Jong ka jingyo lai loit kari India na ka kti ki pareng Hagani ka skina wan man yesim bentalang ru dagi kena school kinong hikai bat kiwei di ha ka bakiliyo ru ban sakhi ye ki dor gi ba Khmapher Jong ki te ki Khlawait ki ba kanthop ru ya us em ka hima nong khlaw utirot sings em.
I'm thinking like the result of today, it's all because long time ago the Britishers came over here and colonized our northeastern states. So as a result, what we are here today, it is all because of our own grandfathers, our forefathers. Has it not been for their sacrifice? Has it not been for their dedication, their devotion, and their what you call selfless actions? We wouldn't have been here enjoying the status of freedom as we are today.
Is something which is very important for any human being. We were ruled by the British for close to 200 years, 2 centuries. After lots of difficulties, struggles, and sacrifices, our freedom fighters managed to get our home rule, own rule, self-rule, our own government. On 15th August 1947, which marks a very important day in our history, we became free. Now, 15th August 2022 will mark the completion of 75 years of India's independence, and from 12th March, the celebrations have already begun, the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Amrit Mahotsav is, Amrit is basically ambrosia. Ambrosia is something which you drink and become forever immortal. Mahotsav is a grand festival. Now this grand festival, which the entire nation will be celebrating during this entire period of 75 weeks till 15th of August 2022. This is something which will remind us of the supreme sacrifices made by countless many, thousands, lakhs, millions. We have our own local leaders. We have Singh, who's from your own district. We have Kyanmamba. We have other great heroes of the region. We have national heroes. But here we have tried to bring together the contributions made and the life and the struggles of primarily the 3 national heroes, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Nhiều sản xuất người ta nói gì người ta nói juga ini ya. Pak, kalau kami kita tahu sunan, kan sedang, ya kijing lagi, ya kijing dap, sampai sunan juga sedang kita. Aku itu Januari, katanya sepaknya aku New ya sedang kita. Ngin sedang tahu sunan pan kaki berpenandungan, ya kijing ini ya sedang kita. Kapan pun aku itu Januari, aku jaga aku. Dan kekuatan orang ini kau di naskul, nyawa saat di kisnan milayar, hari jirai dua. Bangilah sesaji dalam dia ni. Jim larang ini dah tak kapal ba, British larang ini dah tak kapal kanung imat jadi jingsa lebay, kanung imat jadi jingsa nyon bay, jadi jingsa juga nong bay. ngidai pas nungu yang Mahatma Gandhi, ngidai pas nungu yang Khlawait betul, ngidai pas nungu yang Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, udah mau baseng ya kata ke Indian National Army, tang nak kadau banilai persiapan yo yang jing lai doi, nak jing sencari dari England itu. Bonmot inang ai doi, tapi yo ai doi ya kiri dia tu apa. Wat nak jelas itu ni dia di besimenta, haga jing ki, tapi yo ai jing ai doi, nak jing sencari bon Jong hari itu apa. Ni selalu yang jing sencari, jadi betul tu apa. Bagi lawan yang lam ini yang dak talk abidi. Haga Muslim bagi wan di missionary haga ke sibe di dunia. Dalam wan maki ngatangi padona pada dunia. Ni haban pulih de wei pat arba ke jong tim jong no jong.